Hi everyone, my name is Reagan Clark and I am your teacher for pronunciation this semester. Welcome to Fresno City College. So today I just want to show you a couple of things. I want to show you how to get into your student email. This is important because the first couple of announcements that I send before our class gets started will go to your student email. So you need to know how to get there. And, and also, I will show you how to make sure that you have access to Canvas. Now, I'm doing all of this from my computer. So, for you to do this class, there is a Canvas app you can use on your phone, but I recommend that you do this class on a computer or a tablet, that you're not trying to do everything on your phone, okay? So what I'm going to show you is how to set everything up on your computer. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to the Fresno City College homepage, and that is fresnocitycollege.edu. All right, so first you come here and you find My Portal. When you click on My Portal, it will ask you to sign in. So here I'm already signed in and I can't sign out right now. So when you get to this page, it will ask you to sign in. You will need your username and your password. If this is the first time that you're using this email, it's important that you know your student ID number. Your student ID number is your username, okay? Your password, I'll show you an example. So, for example, my name is Reagan Clark, and my birthday is September 22nd, 1984. You could do the math, okay? So my password is going to be a capital letter of my first name and a lowercase letter of my last name, okay? If you have two last names, you might need to try both here and see which one is hooked up to your password, okay? Then the rest of the password is your 6-digit birthday. So if my birthday is in September, I'll do the month 09 plus the day 22, and then the last 2 digits, okay? The last 2 digits of the year, okay? And that's going to be your password. Not this, with your name and your birthday, okay? So once you sign in to My Portal, you should see here, mine says staff, yours will say student. That is your email, okay? So you should check this email about once a week at least, all right? Notifications, news about the university, all of that kind of stuff, that's going to be coming through your student email because that's the email that was set up for you when you registered with Fresno City. All right, so you want to make sure that you check that email. There's already a message there waiting for you if you haven't seen it already. And I will be sending another one right before we start the class, okay? So the other thing is you'll want to make sure you have access to Canvas. Now, if this is the first time that you are signing in to My Portal, it may have asked you, or it may ask you here to update your contact information. Please do that. And then once you're done, click again here on this tab for Dashboard, okay? If you don't see the icon here under your favorite apps for Canvas, you want to come to Apps Catalog. When you get there, you will see the Canvas icon. You want to click right here and add to your favorites. Then you'll go back to the dashboard and it should appear there. So the Canvas class is not open yet, but it will open a week before, just right before our class gets started, okay? So just make sure that you have access, that you know your student ID, that you know your password, and that you can get into that student email, all right? So keep in touch there, and I look forward to meeting you soon, all right? I hope this was helpful. I have to take my dog for a walk now. Have a good night. Bye-bye.